Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 2007 Econoline 350. Whether 350, 250 or 150, the theory is almost the same. This car, we are talking about the air condition, how it works generally. If it is a manual air condition, this car is supposed to have two main cycling switch. One is a low cycling switch and one is a high pressure cycling switch. If the one is for the high cycling switch, high pressure switch, when the AC is mounted on the high pressure line. So let me see now here. This is the car. I'm gonna start it. Okay. Now if you need to put AC, try to put this one all the way here, whether it's high and low, and this and max. Okay, I'm gonna turn. Right now I see the AC work only in high speed. Yeah, it works also in this speed, also is working. Now if you put the AC on, AC request here on, this will send signal through two cycling switch. One is gonna go from here to the low cycling switch, come out of the low cycle into the high cycle switch, come out from the high pressure switch to the engine computer, and the engine computer will command the AC relay to come on and off based on the pressure on the system. If the pressure is very high, it will cut off the signal. If the pressure is very low, also it will cut off the signal so that the compressor will be good. Right now we have the AC is working very fine. If you need a fresh good AC, always put it here, and this one must be in this place. I'm going to show you now where is the cycling switch. I'm going to open the hood. This is the hood place when you open it. Where is that piece? No. Let me see where exactly is this. This is the car is running. You see, this is a high cycle switch. And here is a low cycling switch. You see here, in this place here, this is a low cycling switch. So the power coming from the ignition switch into this one, coming out of here, and go all the way here, and from here go to the engine computer. Right now you see it's very cold. It started getting cold. Everything look okay. And from there the compressor is located in that area there, all the way, I believe at the bottom of the car. You cannot see it from here well. The one at the bottom there, that's the AC compressor. When it's warm and it's getting very cold, it will turn off the compressor automatically. This one here for high pressure, you see it's mounted into the high pressure line. Always leave those closed because you can lose freon during the time. This one for the low section, here is where you put the freon in it. And we have a condenser which is mounted in the front. Here we have like three kind of radiators. One is the condenser. This one here is a transmission cooling radiator, and here is the big radiator for the antifreeze. They made it very big. This engine, I believe, is 5.4 liter. Here we have some relays. Here is the place where you put your antifreeze. I just give you a general information. Here is the place where you put the brake fluid, and here is the oil where you put the oil. I mean power steering oil. Here is your engine oil. Don't mix. Here is your washer fluid oil, and here is your transmission. You check it, and you can do you add the oil also through here. This have a special headlights. This grill is not belong to this car. They put on like a performance grill. The headlight also is like performance headlight. They have adjustable here. You can adjust the light from here, the aiming of the light. Your antifreeze level must be here. Don't put it too much, and don't let it go more down. This is your fuse box. Here where you check your oil. You pull this one here, you check the oil level. Always change your oil in time. In here you have your engine filter. I'm gonna close this one here. Always try to charge your AC. Some of those cars they have rear AC, some of them they don't have. If it's a passenger car, they have a rear AC. This one have rear fan. That means for sure. No, yeah, they have no, they don't have a rear fan. If they have a rear fan, you're gonna be rear. This is for the front one. And now I have a very good AC. It's very nice. Just be safe and be sure that everything is work fine for your car. Thank you for watching Mohamed Electronic Diagnostic. This is a quick information or a quick review of how this thing works and how you can diagnose the car before. And also don't forget that you have enough freon there. If there is no freon, if it's not enough freon, it will not work good. If it's too much freon, also it will not work good. Be sure that to put it exactly the freon in the car. And be safe and enjoy.